Are you unsure of which of your marketing tactics are working best? Are you curious to see what intrigues and excites your audience? Want to improve your open rates? Find out what works and what doesn't? One of the best ways to fine-tune your marketing material is by performing an A-B split. If you're unfamiliar with the expression, it refers to sending out two marketing campaigns with the same general offer or message, but in slightly different ways, to see which your customers respond to best. Essentially, you'll send out one of the messages to a smaller selection of your list, and by seeing which campaign does better, you'll have a general idea of which marketing was more successful. The winner can then be sent to the larger portion of your list members. In order for you to really get good data, you need to make sure that there aren't too many differences in the campaigns. For example, a good A-B split may test a different subject line in each campaign. Maybe a different image can be used in the email. Perhaps instead of a 20% off coupon, you might offer a $20 off coupon. If you change the entire email, you'll never be able to nail down what was the catalyst for the change in results. The idea here is to not have too many variables. Doing an A-B split with AdMail is very simple. It can all be achieved through our easy-to-use interest groups. If you're not already using interest groups to organize your list, you're missing out on a great feature. Before continuing with this video, you may want to familiarize yourself with how interest groups work. To create an A-B split of any interest group, you'll start by navigating to the List Builder tab. Then click on Interest Groups in the drop-down menu. Once you arrive on the Interest Groups page, you'll want to click Create Interest Group in the top right corner. Before doing anything else, click on Advanced Options in the box that appears. Here, you'll want to put a check mark in the box from a segment of another interest group. This will allow you to pick an interest group of which you want to make an A-B split. Choose the segment size, which will be 50% if you want to do a complete A-B split, or choose 5% or a similar size if you want to do a smaller A-B split, and then select the appropriate interest group. The system will select a unique percentage based on what you've chosen of the interest group for this segment. Type in the name for this split, and then click OK. Now you'll have the first half of your A-B split. To create the second half, just repeat the process. You now have two interest groups, each representing a unique percentage of the original interest group. All you need to do is send off your A-B split emails to those groups and wait to analyze the results in AccuTrack. A scenario which is probably most useful to many of our customers would be to take two small samples, say two groups of 5%, from a larger interest group, and do a test mailing of the A to one group and the B to the other. After getting the results back, you can send out the more successful campaign to the remaining 90%. To send out to that remaining 90%, you need to go to the Email Builder tab. Then you'll select Email Drafts. Within your draft, pick the more successful of your two split campaigns. In our case, it will be Campaign B. And then on the Review Your Email page, select Readdress Email. Now you'll be able to manipulate your interest groups. Simply suppress the A and the B split. These are the ones that you've already sent to. What you'll be left with is the remaining 90% that you wish to send to. Click I'm done editing, and you'll be back to the Review Your Email page. Click on Save as a Draft to override the changes and save them permanently. Now you can send out your email whenever you're ready. Click I'm ready to send, and you'll be taken to the final page before you send your email. Please check out our other video user guides if you're having issues with other parts of the system, or, as always, you can call us and we'd be more than happy to help you with any problems you may be having.